Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to do a hard factory hard reset. That means you want to erase everything on the phone, make it just like brand new right when it came out of the box on your iPhone 16 Pro. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and show you. Alright, so first we're going to go to settings. Once you go to settings, go ahead, go to general, and then from general we're going to scroll down and you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Go ahead and push that. Then we're going to go to the bottom and it says erase all content and settings. So once we get there, then we'll go ahead and push continue, erase phone. Now you're going to put in your password. And you put that in. I don't want to show you guys because in case you find my phone and then you can unlock it. All right, so finish, upload, then erase. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead. I pushed erase now, and then I put in my password. My Apple password to finalize it. Let me put that in right now. Hold on. All right, so I put in the password, and now it is erasing the phone, the hard reset. Let's go ahead and show you guys afterwards. All right, cool. There we go. So then now it's gonna be like as if you just open the box and push the power, and it's gonna ask you all the typical stuff to set up the iPhone. Maybe I'll make a video about that starting up. But yeah, takes a little bit of time. I'll go ahead and leave it on just to show you guys. All right, so it just resetted and then it just basically starts over. Like I said, just like when you open the box, and then you're gonna have to go in, choose your language, and go through the whole process. I'll probably make another video about how to set up your iPhone if you're a beginner to Apple and iPhones. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the hard reset video, and I hope that helps. A couple reasons why you might hard reset. You got some, you want to switch with a family member or friend, you're selling your phone, you want to erase everything before you give it to the other person. Maybe some of your stuff is corrupted or whatnot, it's glitching. Go ahead and do the hard factory reset and start all over. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like or comment below. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.